A 3D printable kitchen rack. It was printed in Polytera PLA. It took about 7 hours to print. More information is in the description. Place your dishwashing brush here. And also place a soap dispenser on it. But it's also suitable for dishcloths and sponges. It's up to you. See how stable it is? Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.